is really beautiful. So nice. This look like a galaxy. Galaxy. Look. Hello. I like this. This one also. One. Oh, so moy. My God. I'm crazy about flowers. Dahil pa doon. Ang mura lang. Ikaw time. Di Willie. This one I like. Walker clear Willie. Which color? I like a red. I like red.
Ja, we moeten ja, maar welke?
The double. Double. This one I like. They will eat road. This is double. Huh? Okay. Pink? This one is apart. Pusha. Is it Pusha? Pusha clear to? Pusha? Pusha? The color? Di pinik mo'y. Lisa. Yeah. This is Ekmoy, Scott. This one. Oh, this one is nice. Which one? Yeah. This is Ekmoy. Everything is mine. Dito din. Oh my God. Ang dami pa doon. This one too. This one? Yeah. This is mine. Ik heb geen plek meer. Daar in onder hier, Scott. Hier, daar.
Maar hebben we er nou 3 of 2?
3. 1, 2, 3. Dat is genoeg. This one is old. Oh, maybe this one. Oh, this one is old, Scott. You can change it. Dami namin nabili. May amarillo pa dito. Oh, ayan, amarillo. May dilaw. Amarillo bang? Ibang kanyang amoy. Hindi siya amarillo. This one, amarillo. Ang dami, guys. Super dami. This one is good. Chrysanthemum. Wala, iba't iba. Bibili. I want that one. Walang presyo na. Doon lang presyo sa pan. Sabi nang may arbay pa oh. Gusto mo ng kuan arbay? You know, arbay. Ang presyo. Ito oh, dalawa for. Ah, pwede pala. Gusto ko to isa. Ito oh. Ganda. Para siyang parong-parong. May sili pa nak. Look, may sili. Look, may coriander. Coriander. Sili. Sili. May sili. Ano to? Kamatis. Kamatis. Rosemary. Hindi ko alam ano yan. Ito ang gusto ko. Nak, gusto mo yan, nak? Ito gusto ko. Bibili ako isa nito. Arbay. This look like a galaxy. Galaxy. Look. Porsche. Yeah. Maar die is ook mooi. Maar kijk maar, de kleur van die.
Ja.
Maar die is het gewoon, die kleur is... Tingnan mo, ito yung itatanim ko bukas sa labas. Hindi ko pa naayos. Yun, hindi pa naayos. Umuulan. This is the flower what we bought. And then look, this is my pot. Everything is messy from last winter. Ayan, parang siyang sibuyas pero flowers siya. And this is a mint. I don't know where it came from, but I think from upstairs. Someone throw it and then we get it. And we can use the mint for mojito. Now I'm gonna fix everything from last year.